Hey guys, today's my keep coming in the video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a Bluetooth wireless speaker. This speaker can be also used by putting an SD card or a USB pen drive. For this project, you'll be needing an old Bluetooth speakers module, which I modified it. And guys, if you want more detail on this video, just give a comment, so I'll do a huge detailed video. And now let's go. I have used this module, and there's a mode button, and there's a volume up, volume down, the next music and pause button. And over here you have the USB and aux option, and the headphones, while the USB pen drive slot and the micro SD card slot also. And over there we have the on off switch, and on the top you have LED, and I fixed with 2 screws, and I have modified it a bit, that's it. And the other thing you'll be needing is a speaker. This is a normal speaker, but it's so powerful. I bought it in shop. You can get it for so cheap price. And over here you have, on the left side you have the negative sign, and the right side you have the positive one. So the speaker is so loud, and as you can see, I'll be using 3 speakers like this. And now let's do the wiring. And guys, now I have connected all 3 speakers, but I haven't connected it to the module. And as you can see, those are the 3 speakers, and I have connected and soldered all the wires just to make the process quick. It's just a basic theory, so you can do it. And now let's go and connect the wires to the module. So now let's put the negative to the negative and the positive to the positive. And guys, if you don't know how to find it, just put it and see either one side, it will work. But in this I have mentioned the color, so I'll be connecting the blue to the blue and the black to the black. So let me connect it. You can just twist the wire, no need to solder, just a tutorial video, or if you want you can solder it. And now let me connect the black color one. And that's it, I have connected both the wires. It's so easy. There's no advanced technique of electronics to do this project. So, and see, as you can see, the wire is a bit tangled up. That's not a problem. And now let's just on it. Let's take the speaker, and as you can see, when I on, the LED light will be working. It will just go as a multicolor option. And now I'll just on it.
Bluetooth mode. AUX mode. FM mode. Bluetooth mode.
So it just changed into different modes. And now let's go and connect it. It's already connected to the iPhone, and I'll just go and play a music in the YouTube. It's a music, The Adventurers, Himis 2. And I'll just play the music now. And that's it guys, so please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.